Hey guys, what's up? It's Solar Dare back with another video, and today's video is actually an unboxing video of this box. So let's get straight to the unboxing. Okay guys, let's unbox this video. Oh my gosh, this box. So yeah, it came in the mail. I ordered something, but I think it's a surprise box. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna be as surprised as you guys, because I have not checked this box yet. So let's go. Oops. Okay. Gotta be careful with the sharp edges, bro. Oh man, this packaging's on point today. Oh no freaking way, what the heck? Damn. Look what's inside, guys. Oops. Look what's inside. Primitve. Damn. No freaking way. Okay. Okay, what's in here? Just a bunch of stuff. We got grip tape. Damn, that is a lot of grip tape. I think it's 2 sheets actually. We got grip tape. Got some styrofoam. No, I'm joking. Got some grip tape. No freaking way, dude. What? We got Primitve shirt. What? Let's unbox this real quick. Oh damn. This is tight, dude. Look at this. Damn. Fresh. Repping the Primitve. Repping the Primitve shirt. It's just white shirt. Damn. That's fresh, dude. What else is in this bag? Oh, what? No way. What is this? We got a small bag of stuff. Bro, we got some stickers up in here. Some stickers. Some Primitve. Oh shit. Some Primitve stickers. You know, some Primitives. Bro, these stickers are actually dope, man. Oh shit. What else we got in here? Oh, sweet, yo. Primitve keychain. You already know. That is awesome. Definitely gonna be rocking that. What else is in here? Oh, what? No way. We got some Primitve socks up in here. You already know. Gonna be repping those when Christmas comes. Perfect times for holidays because it's red and white. You already know. What else is in here? Oh, sweet. Another shirt. Damn. This is the outside. Primitve. Oh, damn. That's fresh, bro. Look at that. This is a black Primitve tee. That's fresh, bro. Damn. I rate it. Fresh shirts up in here. Some free okay. So, these are the decks, okay? So, I'm gonna look exactly as, like, I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys are when I see these graphics. So, oh, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn! What? What? That is freaking sick, bro. Whose is this? Oh, Shane O'Neill. It's an O'Neill deck. You already know. I believe this is Megatron, but I'm not sure. It's a Transformer series. Freaking awesome. Got the Primitve Transformers at the back. Snapchat logo here if you guys want to add them. And yeah, dude, it's a fresh deck, man. Oh, that is awesome. Here's another one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, what? No way. Nick Tucker. Get out of here, plastic. The Nick Tucker. Damn. That is a fresh board. Oh, damn. That's a really good board. And the back here, it's all blue. Yeah, dude, that's freaking awesome, man. I am excited. Well, that concludes this unboxing video for you guys. You know, I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. You know, because, like, I was waiting. I actually got it just this morning, but I was busy, so I couldn't actually come home and get it. But I'm glad I opened it up on with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thumbs up, subscribe, please. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you did enjoy. And yeah, I'm gonna be making another video tomorrow on a board setup. So if you guys want, just leave a comment down in the comments below, letting me know which board I should set up. Okay, see you guys later. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.